the one, I understand it's a guess, but do you have an estimate on how much my lump sum will drop by April 2022? Um, Maybe they meant to say 2023 because April 2022 is right now, so we're in the second quarter. I went back, I showed those interest rates before, so we got the second quarter rates, which were a jump from first quarter. What we're looking at right now, like I said, if assuming we kept with the February rates, which we're probably gonna go higher when we get March rates out, that'll tell us what third quarter is gonna be, and we're looking at probably at least a half percent jump. So I do know that for certain that we're looking at probably at least a half percent jump. So let's say you ran your numbers right now and your lump sum was $1 million for simple math. Again, it's going to depend upon your age, but roughly you might be losing about 50 grand or so just from second quarter to third quarter. And like I said, once those rates come out, we'll have a better idea and we'll tell you specifically, but it could be higher, and we can help you run the pension tool to show you different changes. Now, if we are talking about April of next year, about a year out, 2023 instead, if I could tell you that, I'd probably be a great bond trader. But ultimately speaking, I think it's a safe bet that we would see interest rates continue to move up, and we should see them probably move at least 1% higher from second quarter. Because again, I just mentioned we're going probably at least a half percent just in one quarter. So if we go a year out and those interest rates go up by 1%, on that $1 million example I gave you, that's probably about a $100,000 drop or so in your pension. If they go up by 1.5%, which is feasible as well, it could be 150 grand drop. So if you're making 100 grand a year and your pension drops by 150, you're essentially working not for free, but you're losing money by working. So if you are close to it, that's why it's important to give us a call and run that cash flow analysis to see exactly where you fall, so you can be prepared for some of these potential options. But also keep in mind, if you came on ConocoPhillips, you have the cash balance plan, so it's a little bit different. But ultimately, we can go through all those different options with you on those potential strategies.